Let's start. Today, we will see how to find out if the developer options are on in an Android device or not using a Flutter app. You must have seen that many banking apps or stock trading apps do not allow users to proceed if the developer options are on their Android device. This is obviously for security reasons. So, the user has to first go and disable the developer options, and then he may use those apps. In this tutorial, we will see how to find out if the developer options on the device are on or off using our Flutter app. First, we need to integrate a Flutter package. For that, open the pubspec.yaml file. In the Dependencies section, write this line. And click the Pub Get button. Wait for the operation to be complete. Now the package has been installed in our app. Now, go to the Android folder. And navigate all the way to the main activity file. Open this file. In this file, write these imports first. Then, write this constant. Then, write this entire onCreate function. Don't worry about all these red errors. This code creates a communication channel between Flutter and the native Android side using a method channel. This code allows Flutter to check whether developer options are enabled on an Android device by invoking the isDeveloperOptionsEnabled method via a method channel. The result is then sent back to the Flutter app. Now, let's look at the main.dart file. These are the imports. Then, in the main function, we create the stateless widget called MyApp. This is the MyApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called MyHomePage. This is the MyHomePage stateful widget. Here, we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _MyHomePageState. This is the _MyHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. Here, the method channel facilitates Flutter to native communication. The Android side listens for isDeveloperOptionsEnabled and returns the status. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will design other widgets. The AppBar attribute is set to the AppBar widget, and the title variable is used as the title of the AppBar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have an elevated button. When the button is clicked, we call the isDeveloperOptionsEnabled function. As a result, we know if the developer options are on or off. Accordingly, we show a snack bar to the user. If the developer options are on, we show that message in red color. Otherwise, we show such message in green color. Now, let's run the app. As of now, the developer options are on in this device. Now I will click this button. See, it says the developer options are enabled in the red background color. Now, I will disable the developer options. Let's check the app again. Now, it says the developer options are not enabled in the green background color. So that's it. That's how you can find out if the developer options are on or off in the Flutter Android app. Thank you.